Right, this is just a quick video on Klein Tools ET310. This is their digital circuit breaker finder. This piece over here that goes to the electrical panel is the receiver, and then this one is the transmitter. So basically you can unplug the transmitter, plug it into an electrical outlet, and then you're gonna take your, what is this, the receiver, turn it on and go down the panel and you can find it. So this is the circuit breaker for this outlet. When you turn it off, turn it on, and that's it. That's the Klein Tools digital circuit breaker finder. I like it because it helps me when I'm doing outlets that are a little bit farther than this one. It turns a two-man job into a one-man thing. Makes life very easy. I think it was about 50 bucks. I'll put a link on it. I ordered it from Home Depot and it came with this circuit breaker kit. But I'll put an Amazon link up, so if you guys were interested and we're just curious on how this thing works great.